how to add floating button in Elementor. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open a new tab and search for else site. Then click on the first link, and basically here you're gonna be able to use different templates for free. So you're gonna have to click on widgets, and then here, as you can see, you have different options. So if you want, you can add reviews, you can add audio player, you can add the number counter, and you can even search for buttons. So let's search for button. As you can see, PayPal button, back to top, social share button. So simply choose any of these. I'm gonna choose button, and then you're gonna have to pick any of these buttons, and then basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on continue with this template. Then you're gonna be able to change the action. As you can see, you can link to page, you can chat with via WhatsApp, so you can add your WhatsApp number, you can follow, scroll to element or print page. So then you're gonna have to click on add to website for free, and then simply wait until this loads up, and then simply click on publish in the top right corner, then select free, and then you're gonna have to copy this code and then go back to Elementor, then go to widgets and scroll down to HTML, and then simply paste the code here, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.